started this business and you're looking for a professional, affordable website, you're definitely in the right place today to keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-task platform to create a simple website for your data entry service business. If you aren't familiar with multi-task, yes, we pretty much built a platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so that you have a professional, inclusive, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed, so click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and see how well it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly head to the top and search for my market, data entry service. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let multi-site work its magic and create a simple website for my small business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a couple of seconds with the information I've just popped in. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-site is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. If you've got your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, as well as make any slight amendments to the content that is pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. Today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional of any sort, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with it either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address here for my business. I want to make sure that email address is actually visible on my website, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box to make sure customers can easily reach out to me. If you have a phone number, pop it in over here. It is click to call, by the way. Address, let's pop in our physical location. Great thing about that physical location, when your website's live and your customers click on that address, will automatically take them to Google Maps for directions. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons for your social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. In the next section, if you have a logo, this is where you can upload it. Once it's been uploaded, if you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, for example, add filters or frames, you can click on the pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save if you're happy. Over here on the right is where you can make the logo bigger and smaller. If you want to change the colors that were pre-selected for you, you can click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's so many to choose from. Now for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image first. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. We've recently introduced the feature as well where you can actually connect your Instagram account with a click of a button and pull in all your Instagram images instead of uploading them all individually. You can click on that button, connect your Instagram account, and have all your Instagram photos pulled in and selected for your business on the website. And that action is where you can change the buttons where they link to and the text on the button and choosing. So there's various places you can look to include it, uploading a PDF file, maybe with some information, other services and your rate. Under update content is where you can change that content that was pre-written for you. In the last section is where your customers can easily reach out to you via the lead generation form. Once they put in their details, you can send your actions notified by your registered email and if you haven't received from the form. You'll also find all your links over in your marketing dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the button at the bottom under the domain. It's up. Otherwise, if you'd like to purchase a domain to make your website look simple, professional, trustworthy, click on the green button to purchase a domain. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your also interested in